The MSI MAG 244F is a 24-inch Full HD IPS gaming monitor boasting a 200Hz refresh rate and a 0.5 millisecond response time. Unlike marketing gimmicks, this panel really does push past the common 144Hz ceiling, giving a smoother motion clarity that competitive gamers will notice in titles like Valorant, CS2, or Apex Legends. Input lag is impressively low, and adaptive sync support helps eliminate screen tearing. On the positive side, the monitor delivers fluid gameplay, responsive controls, and solid build quality. MSI's MAG series is known for durability, and the design here is simple but functional. At around $107 to $149, it's one of the most affordable true 200Hz monitors available. The trade-offs: resolution is capped at 1080p, so it won't satisfy players who want sharper visuals for immersive single-player games. HDR support is basic, not true HDR10, and color accuracy is fine for gaming, but not professional content creation. The MSI MAG 244F offers real 200Hz performance at a budget price, making it a strong pick for esports players. But if you want higher resolution or advanced HDR, you'll want to spend more on premium alternatives with good quality.